If you're a fan of slow cooker curries, you're going to love this Filipino-style chicken curry. It is light, fragrant, absolutely delicious, really easy to make, and superb for cooking midweek. For veggie prep, we're going to peel and chop a sweet potato, chop up a green pepper, and do the same with an onion. Then you want to heat a frying pan, and we're going to fry that green pepper first and set it aside. Now, I know what a lot of you are thinking. You can't put peppers in the slow cooker because they just turn to mush, but I've got this little tactic that I've been doing recently. When we fry the peppers first, pop them in the fridge, and then add them to the slow cooker near the end of cooking. So that's what we're going to do. Once you've fried the pepper, we're going to do the same with the onion. Give it a couple of minutes until it starts to soften and get some colour. Then add lots of garlic and ginger, and we're going to fry that for a further 30 seconds or so. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Then you've got to tip that into the slow cooker. I know some people don't cook their onions before they put it in the slow cooker, but it is strongly recommended. It gives it way more flavour. Then to that, we're going to use coconut milk, some paprika, not the smoked kind, just the normal, along with curry powder, just regular supermarket owned brand, medium, hot, spicy, whatever you like. I'm using mild because I'm cooking it for the kids. Fish sauce, not because it's a fishy recipe, but it adds this key depth of flavour, and some corn flour mixed in water, and then your chopped up chicken breast. Season it with salt and pepper, and then normally at this point you would add in your sweet potato, but I got to the point when I stirred it all and completely forgot about the sweet potato. So look, oh, here it goes. Add that in, and then you can mix it all through and then pop the lid on it. We're going to give this about 3 hours on low, and then after 3 hours we're going to remove the lid and add in that green pepper that we've kept aside. And then again, just stir it through. You can check your seasoning at this point as well. Pop the lid on it and then give it a final hour. Serve this with rice and some more veggies. I garnish it with a little bit of spring onion. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and as always, if you'd like the full recipe along with a load of others, you'll get them in my recipes app. The link you will find in the description below. See ya!